name's Elise Kephart over here at Sunset Honda in San Luis Obispo. I wanted to send you this personalized video greeting so you could put a face with the name of who is going to be working for you, and also to thank you again for your internet request. I just left a voicemail for you. My number here directly is area code 805-540-6666. As mentioned, I have some great news for you. It is pretty early here in the morning. I'm going to be in the office until about 6 p.m. this evening, and if I don't hear from you this morning, I will reach out to you a little later today. Thanks so much again, and here are a few testimonials from some of my customers.
Elise is awesome and really easy to work with.
I got a good price, I got good service, prompt, knowledgeable.
My purchase with Elise was the best car buying experience.
I've purchased a lot of cars in my lifetime, and this has been the best experience working with Elise.
All right, so you notice in that video, this was an example of a video where I didn't say the customer's name. All right, but watching this video, I customized it to the time of day. Everyone's like, yeah, it's pretty early here. I'm going to be in the office till 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock, right? So this was an example of a generic template. Another example that you can do as a manager, Eric mentioned this yesterday, management confirmations. You can have your managers make a video, right? Because there's nothing more powerful coming from a sales manager, or even a general manager, where they're introducing themselves as well as creating this video for the customer, which also confirms their appointment.
Hi, my name is JC Kent. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Delray Buick GMC. I was reviewing our appointments and I saw that you were scheduled to visit with us. First off, thank you for the opportunity to earn your business. Also, when you meet with your product specialist, have them come grab me so I can go say hello to you guys. I like to meet all of our guests in person. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Now you'll notice, I'm going to go over this in just a moment, but you'll notice how this video is formatted. This is something directly that you could essentially integrate within your CRM. This is the way the customer sees it. It's responsive to mobile as well. And I'm going to go over some benefits of having it like this versus what I originally started doing back in 2009, which was YouTube. And then going back here, so we went through the good morning generic sample, the appointment confirmation, and now we're going to make a live recording. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a live recording. I'm utilizing a software tool called BombBomb. I'm going to go over the benefits of that in just a moment. Other services such as iJot, which my good friend Jay over here utilizes. You can do this as well, but this is how quick and easy it is. All right, so let's say you just left a voicemail for a customer. You want to actually make a personalized video greeting for that customer. Well, this is how easy it's going to be. You can bring something up like this. All right, click on this, add video. You can do it from your webcam, from your smartphone. I want to share with you just something real quick here. 2016, there's a lot more tools available that were not available in 2009. 2009, I did this whole presentation about grabbing this camera with the memory card and having to switch it out and edit it. With smartphone technology and good webcams now, you don't have to go through those steps. It makes it really, really easy. So you can just go to record video with a software tool. Again, iJot is very similar to this as well. You can see here that I am on the webcam. Just hit record here. All right. Hi, Jim. Good morning. My name is Elise over here at ABC Motors. I wanted to thank you for your online request. I don't know why I'm holding this money. Online request for that new GMC Acadia. I just left you a voicemail, wasn't able to reach through. Call me back when you have a moment. My contact information is below. It's 805-441-3398. It is right about 11 o'clock here on Thursday. I'm going to be available until about 6 o'clock tonight, but I'll be sure to follow up with you a little bit later today. I just wanted to thank you again, put a face to the name so you know who you're going to be working with, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks so much. You upload that, insert it. All right, and the basis of your email, as far as the words that you're going to put in and so forth, could essentially be, for the most part, templated out. At this point, you save it. All right, there are a lot of various programs. Like I said, BombBomb is one of them. iJot, I believe, is something that you would be able to utilize this with your CRM, and you can send that off. So the excuse of, oh gosh, it takes too long. We probably just did that in, I don't know, a minute. Is that fair enough to say? A minute, all right, a live recording. And when the customer gets it, all right, when you send it off to the customer, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna go to their email. It's gonna look like this in their email. They're gonna click on it, and here's the video.
Hi Jim, good morning. My name's Elise over here at ABC Motors. I wanted to thank you for your online request.
Just like that. So very, very easy. Like I said, 2016, there's a lot of tools available that make this process seamless, and there's no excuse not to do it. Because I can guarantee that if your competition is doing something like this, who do you think is gonna win if all pricing is the same on that car that you're selling, right? So create value in your experience. Now, I just want to touch base on the last few things here. You guys have asked me, and I added this in here. You know, would you recommend using YouTube? Because you can make a video, post it to YouTube, you know, link it within your CRM. And that's a practice that I used when I sold cars, when Jim discovered me, you know, and so forth. YouTube has a lot of benefits, such as Sean mentioned earlier with video search engine optimization and so forth. But when you're sending an actual email video greeting to that customer, the downside to it, right? Well, the upside is that it's free. The downside to it, though, is that video is going to show on YouTube, and then when that video closes out on a mobile, desktop, whatever it may be, it's going to be in the YouTube app. And if there's any surrounding videos on the side panel or that pop up at that point, the last thing that you're going to want, right, is somebody, one of your competitors perhaps, to pop up after that video. So there's benefits to YouTube and downsides. If you use a service such as iJot with Jay over here and Dealer Defender, or BombBomb, or I think CoVideo is another one, the availability, just like you saw, to customize your video email, right? So they're not seeing all the other videos, they're just seeing kind of what you sent them directly. There's no upload date, there's no view count, it's directly customized to them. You can even hyperlink it to inventory, apply for financing, and so forth. And so you're controlling it, essentially what that customer is seeing. And then I want to close out with this, still continuing through that experience, through that Elise Kephart experience.